Hi all, today we'll be upgrading my trusty Workbench. This simple workbench has allowed me to produce all of my PC cases thus far. While I tried to take good care of it during use, it was bound to get worn eventually. Another reason for this upgrade was because I was running out of storage space on my balcony. So let's get into it. First, I added a 9mm MDF bottom shelf. This bottom shelf will be the home of a new piece of equipment soon. Leave a comment on what you think this could be. Next, side beams were added so we can mount a drawer. – 12mm ply was used for the drawer panels. A 6.5mm groove was cut near the bottom of the drawer base. Panel pieces were then cut to length. A 12mm dado was added to the side panels to provide a stronger joint. I also cut out a pull notch on the front panel. The drawer is now assembled with wood glue and held together with masking tape. While the glue is drying, I added two uprights on the back of the bench to reinforce it further. The drawer slides are then installed onto the side beam and drawer itself. And here is where you can tell this was my first time making drawers. In an effort to make the drawers as deep as possible, they ended up too tall to slide in. No worries, I marked out where it was clashing with the frame and cut out a notch on each side. That's better. To stop the drawer from sliding open from vibrations, I used the scrap from the drawer notch to add these magnetic catches on both sides. Next, some pegboard was cut up and mounted onto the sides and back for additional tool storage points. A lip was intentionally left against the side beams to create small shelves. The old melamine top was directly screwed through the frame, which wasn't a great design, so I'll be changing it. I marked out a scrap block near the corner. The screw holes are then marked by gently tapping a screw while the block is clamped in place. These marks are then given a pilot hole, followed by drilling a 6.5mm hole in the flat face of the block. This was then repeated for all four corners. A pine panel will be used as its new surface. After marking out where it should sit, I use a 6mm drill to mark the mounting holes from under the bench. M6 threaded inserts are then installed in these locations. The bench top can then be bolted to the frame. While the drawer is out, I added more scrap melamine board on the inner wall of each shelf. This will stop smaller objects from rolling inwards. Lastly, the surface is given a light sanding before 2 coats of hard wax oil is applied. I intentionally left gaps along the bottom shelf to allow easier dusting. That's it for this upgrade. I can't wait to start using this new bench for my future projects. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.